We are disciples of Srimati Mokkarala Kameshwari Garu. Now they are going to sing Muttuswami Dikshidhar Kirtana, Shri Kharanadam Bhaje, which is composed in the ragam Isha Manohari, Talam Rupaka.
Background.
Shri Gananadham Bhajare Chitapara Shakiyutam 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 Shri Gananadham Bhajare Nagayagna Sutradharam Nagayagna Sutradharam Nadadaya Nandakaram Nagayagna Sutradharam Nadadaya Nandakaram Shri Gananadham Bhajare Chitapara Shakiyutam Shri Gananadham Bhajare Agamadi Sannutam Akhilaloka Pujitam Agamadi Sannutam Akhilaloka Pujitam Yogi Sai Sevitam Bhoga Sai Bhavitam Yogi Sai Sevitam Bhoga Sai Bhavitam Ragadveshadirahitam Ramaniya Hridaya Muditam Ragadveshadirahitam Ramaniya Hridaya Muditam Shri Guru Guhasan Muditam Chinmula Kamalashritam Shri Guru Guhasan Muditam Chinmula Kamalashritam Rigamari Sari Gamapa Nidapa Mapa Sarisa Rigamagari Gamagarisa Sanidapa Magari Sani Rigamari Sari Gamapa Nidapa Mapa Sarisa Rigamagari Gamagarisa Sanidapa Magari Sani Shri Gananadham Bhajare Chitapara Shakiyutam Shri Gananadham Bhajare
കുഞ്ഞിണ്ട ബെല്ലാവണ്ട
Now they are